Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Oyinka, and if it's your first time stopping by, then you, my darling, are most definitely welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing ways that you can make some extra coin as a stay-at-home mom. I recently became a mom, and let me tell you, children are expensive. I've had to buy baby food, baby clothes, and the fact that they change their clothes so frequently is a lot of money. You buy baby food, you buy baby clothes, you buy the high chair, you buy the baby bed. I mean, it just comes with a lot of expenses. And I've been thinking of ways that I can make some extra coin, and I've actually been putting some of that into practice, and it's been working for me, which is why I'm here to share that with you, because you guys know the motto for this channel: when I slay, we all slay, baby girl. That's it, period. Anyways, if that sounds like something that you want to watch, then please keep on watching. If it's your first time seeing my face, please do well to hit that subscribe button down below to join this family. If you end up enjoying this video, give the video a massive thumbs up, guys. I know that you may forget, but it really does help the channel do better. You cannot even begin to understand how much better it helps the channel do. And share the video with everyone who cares to watch it. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, the first thing I'm going to be saying, of course, is for you to have a skill. Now, this can be anything from hair to makeup to catering, anything, but just have a skill. This is because with skills, usually you can sell them to anybody, and you don't actually need any particular expertise in terms of marketing to be able to sell a skill. So you can start from your immediate family and friends and then work your way out to the public. So if you're good enough, your immediate family and friends would tend to recommend you to their friends, and then their friends will recommend you to their other friends, and then you can work your way outwards. Otherwise, you can just post your stuff on social media, and even random strangers will begin to contact you. I remember that I used to do makeup for people, and it really started from my colleagues back in school, and it just worked its way outwards till the point that people from the internet started contacting me to do their makeup. I know that this will definitely involve you putting yourself out there, but it's definitely a way for you to make some money, because you can set your own price point. No one is going to tell you how much you should charge. Depending on how good you think you are, you can set your own price points. You can also set your own working hours. So if the time is not convenient for you, then you can set your hours to whatever works for you. It all depends on you, really. It's really flexible, and you can make a good amount of money depending on how much you're willing to work. Okay. Next thing that I think is really practical in terms of being a stay-at-home mom who wants to earn some money is for you to sign up to product testing. So there's a few websites that you can sign up to product testings, but the one that I've done is with Google. I've done a few product testings with Google, and I've been able to make some money. Sometimes they pay anywhere from £40, £45, £50 for a 30-minute product testing review. They want to check like customer experience. They want to know how is their product going to perform. Obviously, with these things, you would most probably have to sign an NDA because it's confidential, and they don't want you to, go out into the public and tell everybody their products, because they're not ready to release it into the general market yet. They're really just trying to see how the user experience would be, and you can make some money from product testing. So depending on how many products you're willing to test, there's even some surveys. Like there's this one mom survey. I've done that one. You can stand a chance to win £500 in a raffle if you do the mom survey. Again, just sign up for these things. I know that I signed up for the mom survey from the Emma's Diary when I was pregnant. That one, they asked us to sign up for the mom survey, and then you do some product testing things, and then they want to see like your user experience in terms of being a mom and all of that, and you can potentially make some money from signing up for those type of programs. So again, if you're a mom, you don't even want to leave the comfort of your home, because this is literally you in your house just pressing your phone or your laptop or whatever you want to use to answer those questions. Then you can make some money after the survey is completed. So it can be 1 hour, it can be 30 minutes, it can be 20 minutes, depending on the person, really. But at the end of the day, they will tell you how much they're going to pay you. Like the few ones that I've done with Google, they paid me about £45 for 30 minutes, which I think is very decent, because even as a doctor, I don't earn £45 for 30 minutes, because gents are what I mean, that's literally £90 for an hour. I don't even earn that as a doctor. Do you know what I mean? So it's a really good way for you to make some extra coin as a stay-at-home mom. Now, the next point that I'm going to be teaching you today is for you to do affiliate marketing. Now, this is something that I've recently started doing, and let me tell you, child, money is in the air. Honestly, money is in the air. All you have to know how to do is sniff out the money, because I'm telling you that money is flying left, right, and center, and you're not capitalizing on this. You are not. So affiliate marketing, especially if you shop on Amazon, guys, there is the Amazon affiliate program. You don't even have to have a huge social media following to do this. You can link anything. I shop a lot on Amazon. I buy my baby's clothes from Amazon, my baby's food from Amazon. I buy my camera that I'm currently using to film from Amazon. I buy a lot of things from Amazon. All you have to do is convert those links to affiliate links so that you get a percentage. Now, usually the percentage is really small, depending on whatever the item is. So you might need a lot of people to buy the product for you to make significant amount of money. But hear me out. Just casually share your links with your family and friends, casually. So instead of sharing the real, because I'm so sure that people have asked you, oh, where did you get your baby's clothes? And you say Amazon. Oh, I bought it on Amazon. Don't do that. Say, I'll send you the link, and then convert your link to an affiliate link and send that to that person. Do you know why? It's because even though that person doesn't end up buying that link, that you've released a cookie, or how did they say that thing? You've created a cookie. So anything that person buys from Amazon over the next 30 days will be tied to you, meaning that you get a commission from everything that person buys on Amazon over, as long as the person has opened that cookie. Do you understand what I mean? As long as the person has opened that link, then you can potentially make a lot of money, because regardless of whether the person buys what you sent or what you didn't send, it just means that it was because of you that the person went to Amazon, the person saw things on Amazon that the person wanted to buy, and the person purchased stuff on Amazon because of you. So you still get a commission from whatever the person bought on Amazon. And there are lots of things. Like, you guys see my scrubs, for example. I bought my scrubs from a website. I found out that they had an affiliate program. I registered for the affiliate program, and now I share my link casually. When anybody tells me, oh, your scrubs are really nice, where'd you get them? Instead of me to just say, I got it on this site, I give the person my link. So when the person shops with my link, then I get a percentage and I get a commission for converting those sales. It's literally the little things that make a difference, and they add up till you can potentially make a lot of money. I think that affiliate marketing is literally an easy way for you to just make some passive income, because it doesn't even involve you leaving your house. It doesn't involve anything. You're literally in your house and you are doing all these things and making all this money. Now, if you want to take it a step further, I think that you can do content creation. I've recently started taking TikTok seriously, and I tell you that the barrier to entry with TikTok is so low. Like, I started taking TikTok seriously in December. We are currently in February, and I was at 3,000. Actually, I was at 2,000 plus followers on TikTok in December. Right now, I'm at 22,000 followers on TikTok in just 2 months. That's to tell you how low the barrier to entry is. I've been doing YouTube for 3 years, and in the 3 years of my doing YouTube, I've been able to get 18 plus 1,000 subscribers. Now, in 3 months, I've gotten 22,000 subscribers versus 3 years that it has taken me to get 18,000 subscribers on YouTube. Do you know what? I hope you guys are following my drift. All you have to do is just pick a platform that you want to be posting on. If it's going to be TikTok, if it's going to be Instagram, if it's going to be YouTube, if it's going to be Twitter, whatever it is, just consistently, guys. When I say consistently, I really do mean this. Post consistently. So consistently looks different depending on what platform you're posting on. If you're posting on TikTok, you literally have to post minimum 2 to 3 times a day, every single day. That's the definition of consistency on TikTok. Here on YouTube, consistency means twice a week or once a week, but at the barest minimum once a week. If you can post twice a week or 3 times a week, that is consistency on YouTube. On Instagram, consistency means every single day, so at least one video every single day. On Twitter, consistency means almost every single hour. That's the meaning of consistency. So consistency means different things for different platforms. You can can look at the one that works for your schedule. You can pick the one that works for your schedule and be consistent. I've been trying to be very consistent on YouTube and TikTok because I think that obviously those are the platforms that work for me. I'm not a Twitter person, to be honest. I can't deal with the amount of opinions that are shared on Twitter, but I mean, it really depends on you and what works for you. I tried to be consistent on Instagram at some point, but the algorithm on Instagram wasn't really giving me what I wanted it to give, so I just moved over to TikTok, and it has been doing well. So again, wherever you think consistency is for you, just pick a platform and be consistent on that platform, and soon enough you can either join the YouTube Partner Program. Again, like in YouTube, I am a member of the YouTube Partner Program, so I do tend to make some money from YouTube. Or you can join the TikTok Partner Program, the TikTok Creator Fund. That one, you do need to get at least 10,000 subscribers. No, sorry, 10,000 followers on TikTok before you can be accepted into the TikTok Creator Fund, and then you can potentially start making money. For YouTube, you need to have at least 4,000 watched hours and 1,000 subscribers before you can be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. And the world is literally your oyster moving forward. You can get lots of partnerships and brand deals. You can get sponsorships. You know, you can get things. For me on YouTube, I've been able to get the YouTube Black Creator Fund, and this is literally me just posting on YouTube as consistently as I possibly can. And I've been able to work with a few brands here and there on YouTube that have given me gifted collaborations that have been able to give me some money for my time and effort. You know, I've been able to do that. And obviously you need to build a following. The brands need to see that you're consistent for them to trust you enough to give you some products for you to review, or for them to trust you enough to give you a project for you to work on. Do you understand what I mean? So again, this piggybacks off the affiliate marketing thing, because then if you have a large enough audience, then you can then push that link to the people who are your audience, and the link will spread out, and you can potentially make a whole lot of money. Because try to picture this. Try to picture 1,000 people buying from your link. Just try to picture it. You can, we're talking thousands of dollars if 1,000 people buy. It could be $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever it is. But as long as you can successfully push out your affiliate link to a wider audience, you can make more money from the affiliate program itself, from the YouTube Partner Program, or from the Creator Fund itself, from even brand partnerships and brand deals. But you need to know with social media and with content creation that it really does take a while to build momentum depending on what platform you are. So if you think that you're going to wake up today, post that video today, and start making money today, then I'm sorry, child, but that's not the way it's going to work. You need to put in the work, which could look like a few weeks or a few months or even a few years, depending on what platform it is. And then you can then scale up to the point that you're making a shitload of money from doing something that you love. Again, with content creation, because it really does take a while to pick up, and you need to have a passion for it. So if you think that you're going to be going into it for the money, then I would really advise you otherwise. I think that any of the other options I've said would be more suitable for you, because those ones tend to have a quicker ROI. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, there's that. Now there's something I've recently found out, and it's called UGC. Now UGC means user generated content. All you have to do, and do you know the best part about UGC is the fact that you don't even need an audience. The brands don't care that you have an audience or not, because that's not what they're after. They're not after you being an influencer. All they're after is for you to generate user generated content for them, for you to create user generated content. They want the content to look as organic as possible so that they can post it on their social media platforms, because you guys know that when you see everyday people rocking a particular product, then you feel more inclined to purchase from them. Then you feel more inclined to purchase from the brand, because you've seen an everyday person who is not a typical influencer talking about how much they love that product. So with UGC, all you have to do is show yourself using the product. Literally, that's it. Show yourself using the product. People have made thousands of dollars from doing UGC. I haven't dabbled into it, but I've just recently found it's like I'm entering a rabbit hole of UGC, trying to understand how it is, because all you have to do is, if you like to do skincare products, film yourself doing your skincare routine. Make sure the video is as crisp and as clear as possible, and then you can pitch that to brands. I'm going to leave a website on the screen. It's called Incense, I think that's the name. I don't remember. I'll put it on the screen, where you can even go and find brands that are willing to work with you in terms of UGC creation. You can pitch yourself, create a portfolio, talk about how you would love to work with them, how you generate good content, blah blah blah, and all you have to do is film yourself using that content, how it's integrated into your daily life, and send that to the brands, and then they can post it on their social media page as feedback from their consumers and from their customers, and then they will pay you some money. So even if you don't want your face to show, you can do it in a way that your face doesn't show, but you have to understand that you have to be showing yourself using the product, because that's the most important thing. So if you don't want your face to show, as long as you're showing yourself interacting with the product, like maybe your hands using the product, or a voiceover showing how you're interacting with the product, that's the most important thing. I think you guys should do a lot of research on UGC, because it is really starting to take off, and people are potentially making up to $10,000 a month from creating UGC content. So again, you don't even have to leave your house. You can still be looking after your babies, and you're still making a lot of money from social media. I think social media is such a blessing in disguise, because honestly, the possibilities are endless and limitless with social media. So yeah, I really do hope you guys are following me so far. If you've been enjoying the video so far, please give it a massive thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below to join this family, leave a comment telling me all the types of strategies that you have done to be able to make some money as a stay-at-home mom. But the last and the final tip that I'm going to be sharing is, of course, to use your husband as an ATM. This one, I think, is what many African wives do. Their husbands just end up being their ATM machine, literally. And I mean, it's the more traditional way. It's not like it's anything mind-blowing, really, but this point is just for added laughter and banter. Your husband can be your ATM machine, and any money that he gives you, save it aside, you know, have like a little bit of a savings pot, so that if push comes to shove, you have a pot that you can use to fend for yourself. I'm not saying anything is going to happen, but financial independence is one of the sexiest things that you can have as a woman. Nobody wants a liability. Nobody, honestly, think about it. Nobody wants a liability. They want an asset. And if you are termed a liability in terms of financial or even emotional or anything, it's really unsexy. So since we're talking financial, if in the beginning you end up being like so dependent on your husband for finances, and he's giving you some money, please be wise enough to save some money so that you can maybe invest that into a business that you want to be selling clothes or whatever from your house. You can do that, and then you can make some money that will eventually give you that financial independence. That is what it's all about in terms of leveling up and being that boss babe, stay-at-home mom. Yeah, great. Anyways, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I've tried my best to share the tips that I really think are helpful. And again, if you guys enjoyed the video, give the video a massive thumbs up, subscribe, share the video with everyone who cares to watch it, all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.